In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your profile in OpenSea. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update so the changes apply to the correct profile. Once you're on the site, look to the bottom left of the screen and click Settings. This opens the main area where you manage account preferences. From here, select Profile. You'll now see the fields you can update to make your presence on OpenSea clearer and more professional. Start with your username. This is the name people will see across your profile and activity. Choose something recognizable, easy to search, and aligned with how you want to be identified. Keep it unique and avoid anything that could be mistaken for another creator or brand. If your first choice is taken, try a short variation rather than adding long strings of characters. Next is your bio. Use this space to describe who you are and what you collect or create. Keep it concise, specific, and authentic. A clear bio helps visitors quickly understand your focus, whether that's art, gaming assets, or collectibles. Avoid sharing private information. Instead, highlight your style, your interests, or what people can expect from your work. Below that, add your URL. This can be your website, portfolio, or a trusted link hub. Paste a full, secure link starting with HTTPS and make sure it leads to a page you control. A clean, relevant link builds credibility and gives curious visitors an easy path to learn more about you. Update your email address to one you actively check. OpenSea uses email for important notifications and security alerts, and you may be asked to verify it. Only open verification messages you're expecting and double check that they're from an official sender before clicking. You'll also see options for social connections. Linking your social accounts helps prove authenticity and makes it easier for people to find your official channels. Connect only the platforms you use and authorize them from within OpenSea's prompts. You can disconnect them later if needed. When you're happy with your updates, scroll down and click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were applied. If something doesn't look updated right away, give the page a moment or refresh. That's it. Your OpenSea profile is now edited and ready to share. Keeping these details current helps visitors trust your presence, discover your work more easily, and follow you across the right channels.